A montage of iconic Singapore landmarks, the Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, Merlion Park. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today is an incredibly exciting day because we are off to explore one of the most vibrant and diverse cities in the world, Singapore. Join us on this unforgettable journey as we discover the best that this stunning city-state has to offer. Let's go! Don't forget like and share the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and click a bell icon. Marina Bay. The Marina Bay, with the magnificent skyline. We've just arrived at Marina Bay, and wow, the view is simply breathtaking. This iconic spot is a must-visit when you come to Singapore. From the mesmerizing architecture of Marina Bay Sands to the mesmerizing light show at Gardens by the Bay, this place has it all. The Art Science Museum, strolling along the Helix Bridge, and trying out the famous Singaporean chili crab at a local restaurant. The Art Science Museum was a mind-blowing experience, and I highly recommend it to all the art and science lovers out there. And speaking of bridges, the Helix Bridge is not only an engineering marvel but also offers fantastic views of the city skyline. And let me tell you, the chili crab is absolutely divine. It's a true explosion of flavors. Culture and heritage. The Little India and Chinatown. Today, we're diving into Singapore's rich culture and heritage, starting with a visit to Little India. The vibrant colors, the aroma of spices, and the lively atmosphere make this place a sensory delight. Don't forget to try some traditional Indian dishes. They are out of this world. The host exploring the Sri Veeramakaliamman temple and participating in a traditional Chinese tea ceremony in Chinatown. Sri Veeramakaliamman temple is an architectural masterpiece, and witnessing a Hindu ceremony was a profound experience. Now, let's head to Chinatown, where we're going to immerse ourselves in Chinese traditions. Join me as I participate in a traditional tea ceremony, which is all about the art of relaxation and mindfulness. Nature and adventure. The host at Sentosa Island and the Singapore Zoo. Today is all about connecting with nature and seeking adventure. Sentosa Island is the perfect destination for that. From beautiful beaches to adrenaline-pumping theme parks, there's something for everyone here. The host experiencing thrilling rides at Universal Studios Singapore and then visiting the Singapore Zoo. Universal Studios was an absolute blast. The rides are exhilarating, and it's a paradise for movie lovers. And if you're an animal enthusiast, the Singapore Zoo is a must-visit. It's one of the best zoos in the world, and you can get up close with incredible wildlife. Local delights and shopping. The host at a local hawker center in Orchard Road. On our last day in Singapore, we're going to indulge in some local delights at a hawker center. The variety of food here is mind-blowing, and you can try authentic dishes from different cultures all in one place. The host shopping and exploring the vibrant shopping street of Orchard Road. Orchard Road is the shopping paradise of Singapore. From high-end boutiques to quirky stores, it's a shopper's haven. I couldn't resist picking up some unique souvenirs and fashion items. The Singapore skyline. Our time in Singapore has been truly unforgettable. This city has amazed us with its blend of modernity and tradition, its diverse culture, and its warm and welcoming people. Thank you all for joining us on this fantastic journey. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep spreading love. See you soon. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.